Hello everyone. Today we will see how to prepare paneer at home. I'm using 1 liter of milk. Turn on the heat and let it boil. And when the milk is about to boil, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of lime juice. In few seconds, you will notice the milk curdles like this and water starts separating. So within a minute, the water is separated completely. So we can turn off the heat and keep this aside. And we need to filter the water. And I'm using a cotton cloth. Pour it gently. And I'm adding little water to wash off that sourness from lemon juice. And now remove the cloth carefully and squeeze it as hard as possible. And let's fold it. Required shape. And now we need to keep some weight over it. So I'm using a vessel filled with water and leave it like this for 1 hour. So it's been an hour. Okay, there's the paneer. There's our paneer, guys. Came out really well. So please give it a try and thanks for watching.